Hey guys, today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your WordPress app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just click on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down. You click here on apps. Then you come to apps list here. It's going to show for you like this. So then all you have to do next, you just here you're looking for WordPress, you just click on search. And here WordPress is going to show for you like this. You click on it, you will find here for stop, click on it, click on OK. So then you go down, just click on storage, come to storage is here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do next, so you just restart your phone and start it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. So thank you for your watching.